Looking for a sleek and secure way to carry your cards? The ESR MagSafe Wallet is your perfect companion. It offers space for up to 5 cards or 4 cards and 3 banknotes all in. A minimalist design. With a super strong magnetic lock powered by 20 N52 magnets, your wallet stays put. No slips, no drops. Plus, its quick access lock makes card retrieval effortless, and built-in RFID blocking keeps your data safe from digital theft. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Discover the TUCCH Magnetic Card Wallet, your perfect daily companion. Crafted from smooth polyurethane leather with delicate stitching, it combines style and practicality. Featuring 6 card slots with RFID blocking technology, it keeps your cards safe from data thieves. Its powerful magnets easily snap onto your phone, ensuring your essentials stay close and secure without extra bulk. Designed for compatible iPhone models, this wallet, convenience and peace of mind. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ESR Magnetic Wallet, the perfect blend of security, durability, and style. Its upgraded magnetic lock holds your wallet stand securely with a strength of 3,200 grams, 4 times stronger than standard. Enjoy versatile viewing angles from 15 to 160 degrees with durable adjustable stand tested over 8,000 times. Store up to 5 cards with RFID blocking protection for your peace of mind. Compatible with many popular phone models, it's the ultimate all-in-one solution. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the MOFT MagSafe Wallet, the ultimate 3-in-1 accessory for your iPhone. This sleek, slim wallet doubles as a foldable phone stand and secure grip, all just 0.2 inches or 0.55 centimeters thick. Made with eco-friendly movers vegan leather, it combines softness with durability. Easily snap it onto your phone with strong magnets and enjoy 3 versatile viewing modes for videos, calls or browsing. Perfect for busy days or thoughtful gifting. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Sinjimoru M-Viica vegan leather MagSafe Wallet, the perfect blend of style, sustainability, and functionality. Made from cruelty-free, eco-friendly vegan leather, this minimalist wallet attaches effortlessly to your phone with MagSafe technology. It keeps your cards and cash secure with a strong magnetic closure, while its slim design easily slips into your pocket or purse. Whether for work or leisure, the M-Viica adds a touch of ethical elegance to your everyday adventures. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the SHIELDON MagSafe Wallet, the perfect blend of style and practicality. Crafted from genuine full-grain leather, it develops a unique pattern over time, adding character. Its large capacity holds up to 6 cards with RFID blocking technology to keep your information safe. The enhanced magnetic force ensures a secure attachment to your iPhone or case, while the built-in stand offers hands-free convenience. Compact, durable, and elegant. Ideal for everyday use and travel. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a simple way to carry your cards and essentials? The Sinjimoru Pouch is your perfect companion. Easy to attach and remove thanks to its built-in 3 million adhesive. It can hold up to 5 credit cards, ID cards, or security cards securely with a protective flap. Compact and versatile, it works with any smartphone that has a flat back, making your daily essentials just a swipe away. No more bulky wallets, just sleek convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.